Hello, friends, and welcome to Art by Sparkle and our Disney collaboration, hosted by Taslima of Taslima Maya Art. This has been quite a collaboration of love that Taslima put together for us to create something that reminds us of Disney. Well, I have several things in store for you, so I hope you enjoy it. Before me, you saw Taslima. Beautiful, beautiful creations as always. And following me is Kat from Kat's Fluid Art Creations. So sit back, enjoy, and let's get down to the canvas.
Is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. In dreams you will lose your heartache. Whatever you wish for, you keep. Have faith in your dreams, and someday your rainbow will come smiling through. No matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true. Salagadoola, menchikaboola, bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Put them together and what have you got? Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Salagadoola, menchikaboola, bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. It'll do magic, believe it or not. Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Now salagadoola means a menchikaboola-roo. But the thingamabob that does the job is bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Salagadoola, menchikaboola, bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Put them together and what have you got? Oh, it's beautiful. Yes, isn't it? Now, with an elegant coach like that, of course, we'll simply have to have, mice. Want a girl like her, a frail and fluffy beauty? Why can't a fellow ever once prefer a solid girl like me? She's a frothy little bubble with a flimsy kind of charm, and with very little trouble I could break her little arm. Why would a fellow want a girl like her, so obviously unusual? Why can't a fellow ever once prefer a usual girl like me? Her cheeks are a pretty shade of pink, but not any pinker than a rose is. Her skin may be delicate and soft, but not any softer than a doe's is. Her neck is no wider than a swan's. She's only as dainty as a daisy. She's only as graceful as a bird. So why is the fellow going crazy? Oh, why would a fellow want a girl like her? A girl who's merely lovely. Why can't a fellow ever once prefer a girl who's merely me? What's the matter with the men? What's the matter with the men? What's the matter with the men? Impossible for a plain yellow pumpkin to become a golden carriage. Impossible for a plain country bumpkin and a prince to join in marriage. And 4 white mice will never be 4 white horses. Such fodderol and fiddle-dee-dee of course is impossible. But the world is full of zanies and fools who don't believe in sensible rules. And see. In dreams you will lose your heartache. Whatever you wish for, you keep. Have faith in your dreams, and someday your rainbow will come smiling through. No matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true.
Minutes ago, I saw you. I looked up when you came through the door. My head started reeling. You gave me the feeling the room had no ceiling or floor. 10 minutes ago, I met you. And we murmured our how do you do's. I wanted to ring out the bells and fling out my arms and to sing out the news. I have found her, she's an angel with the dust of the stars in her eyes. We are dancing, we are flying, and she's taking me back to the sky.
I hope you enjoyed that. I had a good time creating Cinderella, as well as the extra pieces that are such an integral part of the story. So please make sure that you check the playlist in the description box, and Kat from Kat's Fluid Art Creations is next. Remember, keep your sparkle on and give it to someone you love. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.